Hey movers and shakers, welcome to another episode of the 7-Figure Moving Academy. Glad to have you here. Today we're talking about how to start a moving company with no trucks. Can you start a moving company with no trucks? Of course you can. But there's some things you need to understand first. So let's get into it right after this. Stop. Look, I know you're interested in starting a moving business, and if that's the case, then I've got a deal for you. For a small investment every single month, you can join the 7-Figure Moving Academy, and you can learn how to start, run, and build a 7-figure moving business just for yourself, and so you can have that financial freedom that you're longing for. You can stop working for the man and be the man. Oh man, this is a great. You could be like my friend John, who used the information in the 7-figure moving business and actually made $20,000 off of his first long distance move because of the information he learned in the 7-Figure Moving Academy. Or you could be like my friend Tyler, who started from zero, nothing, had nothing at all, and is now a licensed and insured moving company owner with 2 trucks that is actually just blowing up. And this is just a tip of the iceberg of what you can have when you join the 7-Figure Moving Academy. Now, all you need to do to join the 7-Figure Moving Academy is somewhere around here, there is going to be a button. Click that button, and you're going to be given some bonuses. You're going to be given access to this exclusive membership, as well as a Facebook group where you can have access to me and other 7-figure moving company mentors to teach you how to take your business to that next level. So if this is something you're looking in, guys, I would suggest you join the 7-Figure Moving Academy membership. It's just a small investment, but a big return. All right, guys, see you on the other side. Hi guys, thank you so much for coming to the 7-Figure Moving Academy. I'm your host, Jay Burnham. Hey, you should know me by now. I've only done over 300 videos. But anyway, guys, we're talking today about how to start a moving company with no truck. You can start a moving business with no truck. It can be done. It's not the easiest thing in the world, but if you learn these little secrets and tips and tricks, you can do it. So the first moving business you're going to start without a truck is a labor-only company. And I actually go over that in this video right up here. Take a look at that. Go out, watch that video in full. Make sure you hit the like button. Leave a comment. Maybe subscribe to the channel. Hint, hint, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Now you can do it. The other thing is, if you don't have any money, how do you start a moving business with no truck? Now, if you're going to start a labor-only business, you don't really need a truck. But then there's the hybrid where you're kind of transitioning from the labor-only to a full-service mover, and you might not have a truck. In this case, you would probably need to rent a moving truck like U-Haul or Penske or Budget or Enterprise or Ideal Lease or something like that. So you might want to look into renting a moving truck. Now, I've got a great article on the 7-Figure Moving Academy .co website. Go to 7figuremovingacademy.co. There should be a thing right there. Beep. Go and take a look at it. That's my website. There's a great article where I talk about the licensing and insurance, how to get a truck and all that. And it's a really good read. You should definitely read it. But basically, what's going over is that you're going to need to get some sort of vehicle. Now, one thing you can do, if you're going to have a moving business, a full service moving business specifically, you definitely need to get licensed insured. And to do that, you're going to need a moving vehicle. Now, if you don't have a moving vehicle, it's really difficult to get licensed and insured. But the one way you can do that is by buying like an old pickup truck or an old van. It could even be a minivan or something like that. If you get a van or a pickup truck, these are legitimate moving vehicles, and they don't even need to run. You just need to have a VIN number, right? Go get it registered and everything like that. Get the van registered and so on, and then you can use those vehicles as your VIN numbers for your insurance agent. Then you can get insurance, which will then allow, hopefully, if you've done it right, will hopefully allow for you to use your insurance when you rent a moving vehicle. Now, if you don't have those and you're looking to rent moving vehicles, you should definitely take their insurance that the Penske and U-Haul provides. But legally speaking, you are not legally allowed to drive those vehicles commercially. And what that means, for hire. So you could do it privately as a private citizen for your own self and rent a U-Haul or a Penske. And that's no problem. You don't need a chauffeur's license or anything like that. But if you're going to do it commercially, technically you're supposed to be licensed and insured. So there's that transition here, right? You definitely should buy your own vehicle, but if you can't, you should definitely go out of your way to rent moving vehicles. And that's really the only thing you need to know about running a moving business without a truck. So you got two options. You can rent trucks, or from like U-Haul or Penske, Budget, etc. Or you can start a moving labor company. So these are the two ways to start a moving business, to start a moving company with no truck, is that you rent or you start a labor business. I really want to emphasize that you get licensed and insured if you're going to do full service moving with a truck. Anything else, do a labor company. There are great ways to do a labor company. Anyway, guys, that's really it. I mean, I've gone over these subjects before. Go take a look at the website. Go check out that article about how to get licensed and insured when you don't have a truck. Look at the other videos I have, and I'll put a playlist right here about how to use rental trucks and all that good stuff. So you can go see that playlist. And then look into the video that I did a few weeks back about labor-only companies. This will really help you start your moving company without a truck. Okay, guys, thank you. I like you. I love you. And listen to what this lady has to say.
Don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.
And by the way, go do something great today.